logically feel that you don't want to take, morally you should. Namaste guys, I hope you guys are doing well. तो आज का वीडियो अगेन इट्स नॉट अ ट्रैवल व्लॉग बिकॉज आई एम एट होम, पर ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ है जो कि है वैक्सीनेशन. मेरे शुरू करने से पहले ये कहना चाहूँगी कि मैंने वैक्सीनेशन लेते वक्त ना व्लॉग शूट किया है ना कुछ. So today I'm just going to share something which you probably not find anywhere on Instagram or something, because that's something I experienced in person. So I'm sure you guys know you have to register first on Arogya Setu app or on Cowin website. तो अभी registration वगैरह हो गया, then you book your slot. Now I'll tell you that in my town, especially where I got vaccinated, my slot was supposed to start from 9 a.m. But when I reached there, I find people who were from afternoon slots. And इससे पता है प्रॉब्लम कुछ नहीं है, बस एक ही सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है कि chaotic. It gets very chaotic and it gets very crowded, जो कि हमें नहीं चाहिए, because I don't know if are we going to get ourselves vaccinated or infected. I mean, I know this sounds really wrong, but ये जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि अगर आपने स्लॉट बुक किया है तो आपका वैक्सीनेशन होगा. बट इतनी हड़बड़ी मत करो. वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड, वी नीड टू बी अ बिट सेंसिबल व्हेन वी गो टू सच प्लेसेस. मैं ये इसलिए कह रही हूँ बिकॉज उस दिन बहुत ही ज़्यादा भीड़ थी एंड टाइम के अकॉर्डिंग शुरू नहीं हुआ था. तो यू कैन इमेजिन कि इतना ज़्यादा क्राउड था दैट इट्स नॉट सेफ फॉर एवरी वन. सो दैट वॉज वन ऑफ द इशू. सेकेंड थिंग इज़ कि जब मैं गई थी तब दे रिलीज द लिस्ट. इट वॉज बेसिकली द लिस्ट ऑफ पीपल जिनको स्लॉट मिल चुका था द प्रीवियस डे, एंड दे क्लेम, दे सेड दैट जिनका नाम लिस्ट में है वही लोग वैक्सीनेट हो गए. अब इसमें ये हुआ कि क्राउड था, सब क्यू में खड़े थे, बट द मोमेंट दे पुट द लिस्ट आउट, द होल क्राउड गॉट आउट ऑफ लाइन एंड दे स्टार्टेड creating chaos, checking their names. Now tell me guys, what kind of thing is that? I know police है हर जगह, nurses है, doctors है, but we need to understand that they are under pressure. They have a lot of workload. They have been working continuously, and if people like us, normal citizens like us, start behaving like this, I don't know where we are going. So अगर आप जा रहे हो, ऐसे कुछ हो रहा है, तो have patience. रुको. अगर आजू बाजू वाले लोग नहीं समझ रहे, थोड़ा समझाने का ट्राई करो. पेशेंस इज़ वेरी वेरी नेसेसरी बिकॉज लिमिटेड स्लॉट्स है, लिमिटेड डोजेज है, बट एवरी वन इज़ ट्राइंग देयर बेस्ट. सो दैट इज़ वन मोर थिंग. देन आती है चीज़ वेटिंग टाइम. सो अगेन बहुत वेट करना पड़ता है, एंड नोइंग दैट इट्स समर टाइम, मे है, बहुत गर्मी होती है. सो देर आर फ्यू लिटिल थिंग्स यू कैन डू जो मुझे बोलने की शायद ज़रूरत नहीं है, बट लेट मी टेल यू गाइज. Carry your water bottle, keep yourself hydrated throughout. Carry lemonade, that is नींबू पानी ले जाओ, इससे बहुत फ़र्क पड़ता है. Carry your cap, so even if you feel fine but there is someone else accompanying you, make sure you have a cap so that you can keep yourself protected all the time from the direct sunlight. ये छोटी चीज़ होती है, but yeah, I had to wait in line for 3 hours that day, even though my slot was 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. and I got vaccinated after 12 p.m. No complaints, it's okay. होता है, and I was anyways I went with a strong mindset that I have to get vaccinated, so it's fine. But if you are a person who is too sensitive for these things, you can go with these. Now after you get vaccinated, there is a room wherein you're supposed to sit for like 30 minutes. Do that. Believe me, उनका कोई एडवांटेज नहीं है हमें बिठाने का, but it's for our good. ये इसलिए बिठाया जाता है कि अगर आपको कोई एडवर्स इफेक्ट हो रहा है या कोई साइड इफेक्ट हो गया अपीयर उस 30 मिनट्स में, तो हॉस्पिटल में जो भी स्टाफ है दे कैन हेल्प यू आउट. ज़रूरी नहीं है ये किसी को हो, बट इट्स फॉर द सेफर साइड. सो जस्ट इन केस इफ़ दे आर मेकिंग यू सिट, बैठो वहाँ पे, इट्स नॉट एन इश्यू, यू कैन जस्ट सिट देयर. एंड जिनको इंजेक्शन से डर लगता है, यू वोंट फील दैट एट ऑल. दे विल जस्ट इंजेक्ट यू एंड यू विल बी डन विद इट. So this is how the process of vaccination went. For me it was pretty much smooth. And then coming to the side effects, ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है कि सबको side effects experience हो. In my case at least मुझे तो नहीं हुआ. All I had was a little bit of swelling and little bit of pain at the side of injection. And throughout my whole family, I have seen most of them getting vaccinated, and everyone had different symptoms or side effects. Not symptoms, side effects. So it's fine, it was all manageable, nothing to panic about. But there is one more thing you can take care of, that is, see, my exam was supposed to start from 6th of May. So I had to make sure that I get vaccinated before 4th of May, because you never know, if you get side effects or not. So I had to make sure that exam ke waqt I'm all good and fit to, write my paper. So I got vaccinated before 4th of May. And when it comes to medication, you can always, consult your physician first. आपकी कोई ongoing medication चल रही है, वैक्सीनेशन के वक्त जा रहे हो, तभी कोई मेडिसिन पे कोई ट्रीटमेंट चल रही हो, तो प्लीज़ इन्फॉर्म देम so that you get proper guidance of the do's and don'ts. Don't just refer Google blindly all the time. It's very important you consult your doctors ऐसे टाइम पे. And yes, it's very easy, nothing to worry about. But yeah, the main issue जो मुझे address करना था वो यही था कि जो chaos create हो रहा है, we are individually responsible. It's time that we take the responsibility and we behave ourselves when we go out. So let's do it. ज़्यादा मुश्किल नहीं है, it's easy to do. And अभी तक बहुत लोग हैं ऐसे जो लोग who are still skeptical about taking the vaccine, जो अभी भी डाउटफुल है कि उन्हें लेना चाहिए या नहीं, सेफ है या नहीं. But let me tell you, I am a pharma student. We study about these things. But I always feel that even if to you, I totally respect your opinions. But even if you logically feel that you don't want to take, morally you should. It's our moral responsibility now, because we need to keep ourselves safe and people around us equally safe. So do get vaccinated, there's nothing wrong. And इसके बाद भी एक और चीज़ आती है. I know the list is never ending, but it's really important that after getting vaccinated, don't go crazy. I mean, don't work out, don't work too much, don't do any stressful activity or anything which could put your energy levels down. It's very necessary. See, even if you don't have any side effects, ये बहुत necessary है कि आप बहुत आराम करें घर पे. Just eat and sleep. I know we have been doing this for a year now, but once again, just eat and sleep. That's all you need to do. Don't work out, don't do household chores, don't go out of the house. Very, very, very important. And just eat lots of nutritious food. That's very important, because you need to understand that once again, vaccine लेने के बाद your body is in a fight mode. It's starting to make some changes in there. So you have to respect your body. You need to understand, even if you're not into pain or fever or anything, sit at a place and relax and chill and don't do anything. And yeah, just take it easy. Breathe in and breathe out. Vaccination is not difficult. It's easy. Times are tough. It's so stressful out there, but you can do it. So अगर आपके टाउन या सिटी कहीं पे भी slots available है, तो get yourself vaccinated. And just don't think too much. I was lucky that in my town we could, me, my cousins, my uncles, aunts, parents, everyone, all of us were able to get vaccinated. So you should do it too, and don't think too much कि Covishield है या Covaxin है. Just to let you know, I was vaccinated with Covishield. That's the only one available in my town currently. So whatever option you have, it's good for you, good to go. They are efficacious. There have been reports about it, so don't worry. It's all good, and we're all in this together. So I hope that my message reaches you guys well, and that's just like me sharing a real-time thing which I experienced throughout my vaccination process. But in the end, you need to be affirmative. It's very important. You need to be optimistic. You have to be responsible, and you need to understand that we can do this. So yeah, that is it for today. We hope you guys are doing well. Until then, stay safe, take care, and much love. Bye.